Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I am Rabia Sadaf from Nursery KG Wing, Divisional Public School. I welcome you all to our English reading class. So, are you excited to meet your new letter friend? Let's see, who is it? Ah, it's a letter friend C, and sound of C is K. C, K. Let's see how to write an uppercase C. Start below the skyline and draw curve all the way to cross line. For lowercase c, start below the plane line and draw curve all the way to grass line. Yay! Good job! Dear kids, we write C in one go without lifting up the pencil. Now, let's sing a phonics song of letter C. We are clicking castanets, k. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets, k. Oh, this is Clowncy, and this is Crabsy. Mr. Clowncy and Crabsy, you want to meet your other friends too. Oh wow, see cat. See cow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-O. See clock, tick tock, tick tock. See coin. See crow. Big black crow, you're a noisy bird. You sing the loudest song in all the birds. See coat. Ah, this is our new letter friend. Its name is D and its sound is D. D, D. To write an uppercase D, start from the skyline and draw straight till grass line. Now lift up your pencil, go back to the skyline and draw curve all the way to grass line. For lowercase d, start under the plane line, draw curve to grass line all the way up to the skyline and trace back to grass line. Bravo! Dear kids, you see, we did not lift pencil for writing lowercase d. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with the. See me play upon my drum. Wow! The dolphin D and the dinosaur D. Dear kids, Mr. The dolphin D and the dinosaur D wants us to meet their friends too. Doll. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Dog. Duck. One little duck went swimming one day. Over the hills and far away, Mummy Duck said quack, 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 but no little duck came back. Dida, donkey. Donkey, donkey, what do you do? Carry loads for all of you. Dida, door. Dida, desk. Very good. You all are shining stars. Do try to make more words with these sounds. Until we meet next, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.